welcome back.
Can you see the culture right now? I like it because it's a bit curls pop for you because it's a bit, I like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Amelia and you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm unpacking all these wigs with you guys. I hope you stick around because I am going to plug you with the stores from which I got all these wigs. They are all from AliExpress. I'm going to be trying them on, feeling the texture with you guys. Let's get straight into it. This is a curly wig, 14 inches. This is a water wave wig. It has highlights for the curls to pop. I just need to spray it with some water. This is a bit thinner than what I usually get because anyway, this is my first time ordering from this particular store and the cup is too small. If you have a lot of hair, then this is not an option for you because it's a bit small, yet the elastic band is at the largest size. I can change the parting to the side or the middle. This is the same way. I've got better curls than this from other stores, but I think I got these for a really cheap price. So as you can see, when you comb, the curls pop a little bit. I've not ordered from this store before and I hope I'm not disappointed. These are pixie hairs. We have an ear-to-ear lace. So basically this wig just needs a little bit of styling according to the face and it's good to go. I like it because it's actually an ear-to-ear lace. I ordered 2 of them because I've not bought from this seller before, so I just needed some samples. So basically this is the same wig. I think this was better curled. Like, let me try on this. So yeah guys, I think you get the picture right now. I think I would rock this. So yeah, it's jet black. So for those that don't like jet black hair, maybe they can try out more options because there was brown, there was maroon. I actually forgot that I ordered 4 pieces. Not sure. Wow. The burgundy is burgundying, like it's really burgundying. Wow, wow, this hair is so nice. Wow guys, so you can see the difference between these curls and the first curls that I showed you. These curls are not yet even sprayed, but they are this tight. But look at this. So that's how you see different qualities from vendors, but I love this. I'm so in love with this. So these are all 16 inches burgundy hairs. I ordered 5 of them and I'm so obsessed. This is the darkest burgundy I've ever ordered. Normally when I order for this hair, it comes a bit lighter than it's supposed to be. Can you see the curls? This is actually what I've been looking for. This is a must buy. All the hair I ordered for is human hair. It comes with this transparent lace and elastic band, so you can actually wear this hair glueless. These are black curly wigs. So this is the burgundy and this is the black. This is 14 inches and this is 16 inches. This is the 14 inches. It's for those people who don't want things that are long and disturbing them. The hair is very soft, by the way. It's jet black for those who like very black hair. And these are the curls. It has an elastic band and this is a transparent lace. So this is supposed to be burgundy hair, but it's giving pink. These are 2 different colors. I actually ordered for this color in the bob wig. Anyway, this is a 12 inches bob wig. So I'm not sure if this is my color, but I see girls rocking this color. So this one is a glueless piece. It's actually a Kim K closure. I'm actually in love with this brown. I think I like this more than the maroon color. I'm definitely getting more of this. This is actually my favorite so far. It's perfect for people who just want to wake up, throw on their wig, and when they come back home they take it off. These are 26 inches brown curly wigs. The lace is always exaggerated with this top. It's quite light, not as usual, but I like it anyway. So with these wigs you can just spray water The wig is very soft. It's really soft, and after spraying water and combing, this is how the curls look like. So these are curly wigs, 16 inches. They are water wave wigs. The hair is very soft. It's really soft. It has an elastic band, and this is the transparent lace, and these are the curls. So this is the 16 inches. I find this to be a better height for most people, because sometimes the 14 inches seems very short, but the 16 is just enough. At that height, it's a very good height. I ordered 5 of the 16 inches curly wig. I did not order the 26 inches curly black wig from this company before. They seem to be good. Aura is extra with the lace, but I can cut that for myself at the back. You can put the hair in the middle or on the sides. It's really soft, guys. It's a gorgeous piece. Lastly, from this package, I also ordered a 12 inches highlight bob. I don't know why it's lifting a bit here. Yeah, the hair is soft and bouncy. Wow. This is a 30 inches wig. The hair is jet black. Is it giving 30 inches? I'm not so sure about that. It's not thick as such, but it's also not a thin piece. According to the price that I got this hair, I can't even complain. So yeah, this is the 30 inches when flicked to the front. Is it giving 30 inches or 26? I'm not sure, but I like it. And then I ordered a 26 inches maroon wig. I've not ordered this in a very long time. I like it because it's a bit darker than the bob, this bob, but it's a bit thin. Like, I'm in love with this. This is the 28 inches wig. It's actually almost like the 30 inches. Guys, the wig is thin. It's really thin. This is it. I'm actually not seeing you guys. Anyway, when I flip it to the front, this too is 28 inches, just like what I've worn. Lastly, this is the 26 inches brown wig. I feel like the 26 inches is not so different from the 28. Maybe that's because they are just 2 inches shorter. But this is the wig. And when I flip it to the front, this is it. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you guys later.